We're starting with a piece of cardstock, 4 1/4 by 8 1/2. We're going to score it in half at 4 1/4, and then we're going to make a diagonal score from the upper left to that 4 1/4 inch score line, lining it up on the track and then giving it a score with the scoring blade. Then we're going to take our bone folder and burnish those score lines really well. We have 4 pieces of paper that we're going to use, cut 4 by 4. Now for the outside, I chose an embossed piece of the same color cardstock, and so I'm deciding how I'm going to cut that so that it looks the best. And so I'm just going to cut it in half from point to point, and then I'll put it up in that upper left corner, and that is going to work great. And so now I have a piece of designer paper for that left-hand side of the inside. I'm going to cut at left to right corner, and for the lower part, right to left, so that I have a piece to put on the inside with our basic white for our message. So for these particular pieces, you need to be sure you have your paper positioned correctly so that your images, if there is a directionality, they're going the right way. So for the basic white, I've decided to put a sentiment and do it at the angle there to go along with the shape of the card. And so I've used Cajun Craze ink, and I'm just going to place that on the inside. So to finish off the outside of the card, I've chosen another sentiment, and whether you use a sentiment or an image on the outside, you just need to make sure it fits within that triangle. I'll add a gold leaf embellishment, and then to finish it off, I'm using these Cajun and gold flecked embellishment dots, using a larger one in the center and framing it out with 2 smaller dots. So now we have a completed card, and it's a great little fun fold. The main thing is to make sure your paper is going the right direction when you cut, and you have a great card to give to someone to reach out and make someone's day. Please like and follow Ink and Inspirations for more ideas.